Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great moment of sharing information about cryptocurrency and other digital assets and NFT. So, as usual, it's me, the content on the Content TV, the only TV where you can get information about cryptocurrencies and other related economic news. So, guys, as usual, today, what do I want to talk really about? I want just to mention some updates about Pi Network. What I want to share with you is that Pi Network has already started integrating banks. So according to the updates of Kosasi on GitHub, the only place where core team build its system there. So we are going to visit and see how they have already started adding banks so that the ecosystem can be wide and people start accessing or withdrawing their Pi coins from bank without going to the exchange. So guys, stay in touch as we move forward to see what is going to happen. So let me first go all right. Okay, let me first go to GitHub. Yes, then I first move to Pi. Okay, I don't want to take time explaining what is GitHub because I have talked about it many times. GitHub is an open source where two or more programmers, when they want to do their job aside, so maybe standing on different location, so programmers, they just use GitHub so that they can combine codes while they are working. So it's also a very safe place. It's a safe place for programmers because sometimes you can do your project in your machine and you find that after sometimes your project is lost. You find, okay, maybe they snatch your machine while going and you find that the all work that you have done. And my dear, those people, you have to know that programmers, they do a lot of works. So losing it at once, imagine doing a work for almost 6 years. These programmers have been doing this work for 6 years. And you find that one's laptop just lost recently, then they fail, they end up losing every code that they have decided to set in Pi Network. So that's why their activities, they save it on GitHub, so that every time when the system is taken, every time when their laptop is gone, so they will continue to have. So it is in that way they have decided to use GitHub. So let me go to Pi apps because I just want us to visit. Then as usual, we are going to pass to Pi apps here. Let me show you to doll. Okay, even you can do this. You can pass whatever you want. I don't see doll demo. Okay. We have to pass to doll. Or let me first go back a bit. I think okay. So from here, I just go to Pi apps. Then I just go to repositories. Okay. Then I look for doll, because doll is where we pass for us to get everything. Then after passing to doll, I'm going to choose the programmer, the chief Kosasi, and we are going to see what Kosasi has already upgraded since yesterday. So there's a lot of things Kosasi has committed. As you can see, he has made a lot of commits. So he has done created, as you see, test ITF simulator on Mars. These guys, they have project which is even above our understanding. I'm telling you, these guys, they have a lot of things that they are working on. So these are by the way, these are the all project you see here. Nexus Revolter, yesterday we talked about the Nexus Revolter. It was a system where the new Nexus Revolter is a system where to protect our Pi coins and what. But for me, I want to talk about this one that he committed 5 days ago, but he has been working on it. This is called FPB, First Prims Bank El Moloza. This is the one that I want to talk about because while I was starting the video, I told you that they have already integrated integrated the bank. So this is the work that Kosasi did to integrate this bank called El Moloza. And this shows that they have already started mobile banking application. They have already started integrating the banks and the mobile banking systems, because mostly the mobile banking is with this bank called El Moloza. I think we can even search it on Google and see. But let me first read before we go to El Moloza. A groundbreaking mobile banking platform that integrates traditional banking services with Pi network cryptocurrency capabilities, providing a secure, scalable, and compliant financial service solution. So, unverified bank, the features will be unverified cryptocurrency management, real-time transaction processing, biometric authentication, Pi network mining integration, virtual card management, global payment capabilities, multifunction authentication, and end-to-end users. So the PB mobile banking system utilizes microservices architecture with event-driven communication. So Kosasi has tried to integrate this mobile banking system, and they are working on it with this one called El Moloza, to make sure that people are going to start accessing services of Pi network through this mobile banking application. And this is not the only bank that is coming. Look at the certified. Look at CBS certified, SMA certified, CBDG certified. Look at the way everything is organized. So it's not only these ones which are going to come to this. Almost all the banks they are trying to build their API so that they can be accessed through, so that they will be able to access. They'll be able to access this system, so that they will be able to integrate these banks in the system. So guys, let me tell you, maybe there is certain banks. Yesterday I have seen news that in Nigeria, the banks of Nigeria, mostly they were talking about Equity, that Equity has already decided that they are going to start accepting Pi network to be kept, to be deposited in their crypto wallet, so that pioneers can go to withdraw their Pi coins from the bank. This is where we are going. This is the world moving. There's nowhere we can hide of this story, because things are moving faster comparing to the way that we have been waiting. So let's look for this El Moloza. Let's look for El Moloza. El Moloza Bank. So El Moloza first mobile application. So this news is also let me show you, is also on Binance Square. That El Moloza first mobile banking app is coming soon, at this time when the boundaries between traditional finance and decentralized technology are disappearing. FBA mobile banking app is a revolutionary platform that trends. Okay, El Moloza is a new platform, is a new banking platform that is coming in our way to revolutionize this, to intermediate the old traditional finance and the new upcoming finance. Okay, they are just trying to talk about it. You see, El Moloza is everywhere, launching soon. Everyone, they are talking about this bank, and this bank will be in the ecosystem where we will go to the mobile banking. We take that mobile banking, we convert our Pi into our normal currency, then we consume it the way we want. So guys, the better things, different banks are coming here. I'm telling you, whether we want or not, these banks are coming in our way and we have nowhere to hide. So I just wanted to highlight the updates about this. I just wanted to highlight the updates the update about this, the coming of mobile applications. I mean, these banking applications, but also telling you that other banks are on the way and they are coming and they are going to change everything that we have been expecting. So guys, thank you very much. See you in the next video, and I believe this video is very crucial and educative, and I would like to request you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this is the only YouTube channel where you get updates. And if you want mining, I recommend you Ruby, as we are talking. I recommend also Seedler, because these are the only applications that I think they are very good. So guys, if you need a help, if you need something, you can look for our WhatsApp number in the description and contact us. Thank you.